Hi, it's me, your friendly neighborhood Spider-Man. Rest in peace, Tom Holland. He didn't die, but Sony killed him. So, I'm going out tonight. What am I looking for this? With some girlfriends from work. We are, hello, stay. We're gonna go to a bar and do trivia. Because why not? We're smart. We know things. We have information. So we're gonna go do trivia and see how that goes. So I'm just making myself cute for it. Because why not? Oh, I can put my lipstick on. Not that I think this does anything, but my lips are really dry, so anything I can put on it, the better. Okay. So that was the Dior Lip Maximizer Hyaluronic Lip Plumper. Sure. And it's hyaluronic acid in it. And then I just used the Urban Decay Optical Illusion Primer. For my foundation, what brush do I want? I'm going to use the Lancome, I don't know how to say this, Teint Idole. You know, the Lancome one. I have this in 210 Buff N. I got this in gratis, so thank you, Lancome. Oh, I should have shaken it better. Oh well. Boop, 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 boop. Oh, that is fragrance. Yep, smells like the YSL foundation. The YSL foundation was really fragrant though. That was pretty bad, but it looks so good. But it started breaking down throughout the day. I gotta try that one again. But not today because I'm trying to look cute. This is too light for me. I'm putting on more. I thought this was more coverage. It probably is. It's probably just the brush I'm using. I wanted to say, before I got distracted myself with other talk, so this is what Sony should do. This is what they should do. Stop. They should stop, okay? Just don't reboot Spider-Man again. I don't need to see Uncle Ben die for the 4th time. Don't do it. Don't do it. Instead, give me more Miles Morales from Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse. Just give me more Black Spider-Man. You don't have to start again. You can just keep going. And also, Black Spider-Man. I'm tired of white Spider-Man. I'm tired, okay? I'm tired. I have been around since Tobey Maguire was Spider-Man, and I'm tired. So just give me more Miles Morales, and everyone will be happy. Because nobody wants to see Uncle Ben die again. I'm going to use the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I have this in Custard. I'm going to wear these like purple pants. They're not like acid wash, but they're not like purple. So I'm going to do this palette that I have in my hand, which is Punked from Smashbox. Because it has these like purpley tones without being straight up purple. So I'm gonna do this and just keep it like kind of smoky, kind of grungy. I'm gonna wear a Kurt Cobain shirt. I'm gonna set with my Laura Mercier powder. Oh, I thought I was gonna make a mess because it fell over in my drawer. I'm gonna set with my Laura Mercier powder. The only other powder that I can say for sure that I like really enjoy besides the Laura Mercier powder is the Fenty powders. Those are super matte and they look beautiful on the skin. The packaging's just really messy. And I don't know how I feel about the Jeffree Star powder because I know I've used it, you know, you've seen me use it a couple times in videos, but I don't know how I feel about it. I feel like it looks kind of dry. And I don't bake, so I don't understand why it looks dry. I don't have dry skin. I don't know. People are raving about it, and I'm like, yeah, it's nice. But I'm not going to be like, yeah, I'm going to trade my Laura Mercier powder for fucking Jeffree Star. And I still need another color of the concealer, because I don't like the concealer, the Jeffree Star concealer, Why did I close that? I still needed it. But I think I don't like it because I have too light of a shade, so it doesn't give me any kind of coverage. It's just like there. Okay, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I'm filming another part for the brow video. That should already be up by now. So I'm gonna do that and then I'll be back. Okay, back to this. Priming my eyes. Pro Prime from NARS. Okay, I'm gonna start with, again, this is the Punked Cover Shot palette from Smashbox. I'm gonna start with this shade here, which is, I never know which way these go. Soft Punch. Does that make sense? Because this would, yes, okay, so this is Soft Punch. I hate it. I hate that. Anyways. I'm gonna put that on this like outer third kind of area. And in the crease. Oh, please don't cry. I had to turn my fan, my air conditioner on because it, oh, it's time to get up. My air conditioner on because it was getting way too hot in here and the dog just tripped over the thing for my light. I was sweating and I ruined my top lip, so I'm turned my fan on, so I'm sorry if you can hear it. I know it's probably loud, but I had to. Where's my brush? Okay, so I did that. Next, I'm going to take this shade up here, which is, whoops, hello, which is Punked, and just use that to deepen out the outer, like, third-ish area. And now there's so many noises happening because I have my door open because my aunt is in the shower, so I don't want to lock all of the children out by themselves. And by children, I mean animals. Yeah, there you go, lay down. Good boy. And I'm going to take this shade here, which is Anarchist, spelled K-I-S-S-E-D. Oh, and here comes Jezzy. Oh, and my phone's going off. It's one of the girls I'm meeting up with tonight. Texting me. As if I'm so excited. I have friends. Okay, so I'm using this just to blend out all of these edges. Okay, so then I'm going to go back into this first shade that we used, which is Soft Punch. And put that on my lower lash line. All the way across. And then take that Anarchist shade again. And blend it out. Oh, I just poked myself in the eye. For the lid, I want to use this purple shade because I'm not sure I've used this yet. Maybe I have. I'm gonna do it. So I'm gonna take the purple shade. This is Riot Girl. Yes. Put this all over the lid. Oh yeah, I like that. And just blend the edges. And then for the brow bone and inner corner, I'm going to take this one, which is Highliner. Right under the brow. Right in the inner corner. Okay, that's the eyeshadow done. I'm going to put black liner in my tight line and my waterline, curl my lashes, put on mascara, and then I'll be back. So here are the eyes, completely done. Nice and smoky, a little dramatic. Yes. Okay, so let's finish this. Using my Kevyn sculpting powder to give myself some cheekbones. Going back to my very sad looking chocolate Soleil. Let's put some color back into this face. Just about stuck my nails in the palette. Okay, blush. Itchy. Okay, I'm gonna use, I think I'm gonna mix these two together. These are the Love Blush blushes from Too Faced, so this is Justify My Love and Your Love is King. And I'm just gonna pop back and forth between them. because if I did the lighter purple, it'd be too light, and if I just did the darker purple, it'd be too dark. So mix them together and make the perfect shade of purple. Okay, turn my light down a little bit. See, now this looks so much better. I should have did this earlier. This is the Sephora Collection Illuminating palette, and I'm going to use this one. They don't have names, so it's just the bottom right. I'm going to use this giant Eve Pearl brush. I love this this brush. It's like comically big, but I love it. For lip, I'm gonna put on, this is Marc Jacobs Slow Burn. So that's that. Here's the finished look. I wish this was a little more purple, but I don't have like the perfect mauve lipstick. If I did, it would be Salt Life from Tarte, the Rainforest of the Sea collection. So this is the look. I like it. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. And I'll see you soon. Bye.